To perform a backup of your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to locate the about phone information, and here scroll down until we locate the backup and restore. Select it, and then there's the options to perform a backup or restore on other mobile device, on the computer, in Xiaomi Cloud, or you can also go for the Google backups, which I would honestly recommend. Only thing is that you need to be logged into that one Google account, and on that account it will save that backup. So if you want to restore the backup, you will need to log in to the same account. So here, click on whichever option you like, for example Google Backups, and after that you'll be able to confirm the backup right here, and you can also change the details to for example backup your photos and videos or not, or other device data. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.